Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning unit 2. Its title is The Greatest Reformer. Today is lecture 8 part 1. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn about short note and we'll cover page number 23 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 4, I have already taught you writing different things. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And today we learn further to write short notes of their own to friends and family members. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah 41, verse 44, and declare, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa sallam, that the Quran is a guidance and healing for the believers. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse is, you see how precise it is. The Quran is guidance and healing. For whom? Who believes in it, who is a believer, who believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you see, alhamdulillah, Quran, all the messages are to the point, very brief, and this is how we can convey a message in a short way. This is we are going to learn today. So first you tell me, what do you know? What do you think? What is a short note? All of you answer this question to your teacher. Kindly pause the video and answer this question. Yes, my dear students, I hope you remember that a short note is to the point and brief. Means we write it to the point and we don't write it in detail. We write it brief. And its message can be quickly understood. We need not to go for detail. It is a quick, short message. All right. So these are the parts. When you are going to write a short note, you should mention date your note, and write the name of the person for whom the note is, like the person for whom you are writing this short note. Make the main message visible, like the message, what you are writing, it should be visible so that quickly it can be understood. Don't write everything down. Just write down the important points and keep your sentences short. Don't write in detail, like short, brief sentences, and write your name beneath, like who is writing the note. It should be for whom it's written, who is writing, and a brief message enclosed with. Right? These are the parts of your notes. So let's see what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on page number 23. It's written here. Do you remember? Because in grade 4 you have already learned it. A short written message is called a note. A short written message is called a note. We write notes to friends and family and use informal language. We can use a small piece of paper for note writing. Okay? And here are the samples. It's written in your book. Now, you may write the date you are writing, note, and whom you are writing. Her name is written here. Hi, Sabah. Tell everyone to get together around 11 a.m. for badminton match. Okay? Now, you see, to whom you have written, you have mentioned the name. Okay, the person who will read for whom this note is, she is Sabah, and what the note is saying, like you are going to have a badminton match at 11, so all of you should be there. And who has written this message? Rihan. You see, all the elements are there in the note. Okay, another specimen is here. Date, you will write here. Hi, Farhan. Now this note is for whom? For Farhan. We are going to do a surprise birthday party for mom. Dad is going to bring cake. Be ready at 10 o'clock. Bushra Appa. Okay, now Bushra Appa wants to convey this message to Farhan, and what the message is, that's written here. Okay, this is how we write short note, which is not, we need not to write a detail like we talked about this. No, to the point, one or two statements, and for whom you are writing and who is writing. And one thing which is important, the time. If it's not there, so all the message is incomplete. Short doesn't mean incomplete. It should be complete but brief. Okay, so are you clear with all the elements of short note? Good job. I'm going to check it. It's our activity time. Okay, so what we are going to do? Teacher will divide class into pairs and teacher will provide sticky notes to students. Each student will write a short note for the other student in the pair. So you will write a note for the companion in your pair. So let's see which pair writes the best note, and all the short notes will be displayed on the board. So teacher will divide the class into pairs and your teacher will provide you sticky notes like this. You will write a short note. And you know, a good note is that which is complete as well. Incomplete note, if the person whom you are writing, who is writing, time, anything is missing, it's incomplete. So write beautiful note to each other. Let's see who wins this competition. Pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you all done with it? Good job. Now, all of you paste your short note on the board. So, it will keep reminding you what you have written. And the child, the peer who have written the best note, good job, you are smart. Every one of you are smart. And I hope you all have written very nice short notes. So, it's a practice time. All of you now settle down, open your notebook and write a short note to your classmate to visit a park nearby. Okay. So, how you will write a short note to your classmate and what is the purpose? To visit a park nearby. So, pause the video and write a short note in your notebooks. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good. It's interesting. It can help you in your routine life as well. So, it's your homework time. Suppose you are going to market with your mother. Write a short note for your brother who is staying at home. You will write this short note in your notebook. I'm giving you a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do? You are going to write a beautiful thank you short note to your teacher. Okay? You may color it and make it beautiful as well. So what we have learned today? We learned that a short note is to the point and brief. Its message can be quickly understood. And we practiced writing short notes on our own. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that is to write short notes of their own to friends and family members. Yes, my dear children, are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.